Hi, this is Steve from MoneySmartFamily, and we remodeled our bathrooms a couple years ago, put Delta faucets in the showers, and they just aren't hot enough. Our water heater is putting out very hot water, and the showers are putting out lukewarm water. There's a simple solution, so keep watching. I'll show you how to do it with two different types of Delta faucets. I want to show you what the temperature of the water is. I had to turn up our water heater to get the temperature of the shower head to produce water that was over 100 degrees. Otherwise, during the winter, it felt pretty cold to take a shower in there. Now, this faucet is less than 10 feet away from the shower. The temperature we're getting out of the faucet is really not a safe temperature. Very hot. We're at 145 degrees out of this faucet. And we're in the shower, and I'm running the water into the cup, and the temperature is 104 degrees, almost 105. So I thought there was a problem with the faucet, possibly the gasket inside the faucet. I was getting ready to call Delta to complain, and I watched a couple of videos, and they said that there's an adjustment inside the Delta faucet to change the temperature. And it's a little ratcheted area, so we're going to give this a try. And I have another shower we're going to do this on, different trim, so it may have a different setting, but we take this off. This is the plastic adjustment, and it says do not over tighten. Do not over tighten. There's no gears on this. This can only go in one way. The hole is set to go and match the stem. And now you can take the handle off, and inside the handle there's an area here where that says H for hot and C for cold. So we can take this out. Now I believe we need to move it in the direction of the hot. So we're going to move the H closer to the center. And then we'll measure the temperature again. So this just pops out. I'm going to rotate it. Actually, before I put it back in, I'm going to clean the inside. This is about 2 years worth of buildup in there. Alright, so we're back, and I've cleaned the inside. I had to use a little bit of lime away and a toothbrush, and then I went through with a little dental tool I had and cleaned all the teeth. It's kind of ironic, but it's clean now. And then I put a very light coat of Vaseline on here to keep hard water buildup from getting on there. Clean these teeth too. So now we're going to put this back in. We're going to put it at the hottest setting. And we're going to see if we can get the same temperature here as we did in the sink. So there it is. The H is right here. And the cold is over there. And I may have done this backwards, but we'll see. So then we put this back on. Straight on. And we put it back in. So I'm going to put on the stationary point first, the other side there, and that's the full temperature. Now I for sure got it turned on to full hot. There we go. This is what we want. Look at that. 102, 103, 104. That is getting significantly hot. 107, 108, 109. Now we're cooking. We'll dump this out. 114, 15, Now that's going to be a hot shower. That gives us the flexibility to heat it cooler or hotter, whatever we want. I think that's plenty hot. We're well above scalding. We're closing in on 130 degrees. That should be just fine. Now I can turn the water heater down and save gas. This is another Delta faucet. We remodeled this shower about a year ago, and the temperature just has never been right. And so we're going to show you how to adjust the temperature on this. First thing you do on this one is go in here with an Allen wrench. You got to take the handle off. This one is much simpler than the previous one. Okay. And all you have to do here, this is a spring-loaded thing, and it says here, it says rotate counterclockwise to go hotter. All you have to do to go hotter is pull out and turn. Let's go all the way there. So 4 and 5 notches hotter. Alright, we've made the final adjustment, and now it's time to test the temperature. 80, that's good. Warming up quickly. That's getting quite hot. Just like the other shower, that is plenty warm. I told you it'd be simple to fix the temperature on your Delta faucets. It really is easy. If you like this video, please subscribe or leave a comment, or if you have a question about how to do it, leave that too. And watch these videos next.